Let's learn how to order Instagram post template. Take a screenshot of the post. Crop for the best fit. You can either crop from your DG store while editing or using phone gallery. Now go to your storefront link. I am choosing acrylic photo print with 3 mm thickness. Choose your preferred option like size, orientation and fitting. Now customize design. Upload the photo. Drag it to the best fit. Click on Save and Preview. Now I want some customizations like a transparent background and round corners. For this, click on Add to Cart. In the bottom here is an option, Add Order Note. Here I am mentioning the changes I required. So the backend team will be working on it. Also, when you upload screenshot, don't worry about the picture quality. Our team will be upscaling the picture and give you the best gift possible. Go check out and order your Instagram post template.